back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Today I'm gonna do a little bragging on a tool. Not a sponsor, but a little bit of a back saving tool here. This is a Ryobi 40 volt brushless auger for digging post holes. I've been using it for quite a bit of time. The couple hurricane, not last year but the year before, knocked a bunch of my fence down. I used it to put the fencing back up, and this year it happened again, except this time it took the entire fence down, and you can see I'm still working on getting that put back up. But in the process I have some stuff coming that I've been planning on for a long time, getting me some more pigs to play with, and I gotta build a pen, so I thought I would do a review on this Ryobi 40 volt, I think it's 40 horse. Yeah, it's just 40 volt horsepower. But auger, I like it so far. It's got a reverse on it, so when you don't want to go forward, you can go. When you get stuck, you can pull it out. It's got a low speed and a high speed. Low speed. Low speed. Get a little off track where I want to go. Low speed, and then you got a high speed, which works great. I bought this tool because my gas one went out. It's too much to maintain on them things. This drill, the bit on this is the one off my Ryobi. So a little tip to those who might be interested is that the one that comes with this is big, way bigger than what I needed for what I'm working on. But this one right here works great for putting, you know, the garden post in and the fence poles in, 6x6s. The other one, or 4x4s. The other one would be good for 6x6s, and it cut holes great. We did those. We did that little duck pin right there with it. But this is the one that came with my Ryobi. Now Ryobi sells, not Ryobi, but my Harbor Freight one. Well, Harbor Freight sells these bits. Well, if you need different size bits, you can just go to Harbor Freight and pick them up. They fit. Just a pin, replace a pin. I've learned to completely take these things off, because if you don't, they end up rusting to the shaft of this thing, and it's a nightmare to get off. There is a safety trigger underneath. The safety and a trigger, you can't just you have to push the safety in and a trigger. So we're going to go ahead and dig this hole. That's as deep as I want to go. Does a good job. The hole is clean, it's straight, and it does what I need it to do. And put this busted up hole in there. There's an extra support in the middle of this, since we're getting pretty good sized pigs. So yeah, that's my pole. That's my Ryobi 40 volt. I'm gonna tell you, it has saved me a lot of backache. I've been getting off late, and it was just a little bit of light. I've been working on the fence, and I put in like 9 holes. And one night, put the poles in. I never concreted them in, but I got the poles sitting in the holes, so nobody walks off in a hole. I had about to concrete, but this came up, so we're working on this right now. Thanks for watching. Look into that Ryobi drill if you do a small farm stuff, little hobby farms. Perfect for hobby farms. Ryobi does a lot of great stuff. I bought the electric weed eater to weed inside my emu pens, because it's quieter than a big gas one. I drove them scared of emus. So, but this thing's quiet. I work around my animals. They don't care. You can see them back here in the background. They're just munching away and sleeping. The little guys eating. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if y'all want to see more reviews on tools that I use around my homestead and farm. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one.